This is an inference question. We need an answer choice that can be inferred from the information given in the paragraph without any assumption or correlation. The difference in the cost is 40%. Whether allowing the patients will lead to a 40% decrease cannot be established. Nothing can be said about the drug costs because in the paragraph we only have surgery costs mentioned here. To say that travel and visa costs involved is more than 40% would be incorrect. This would contradict the premise mentioned here, which is that even including travel and visa costs, it is still less expensive. If this cost were more than 40%, it would be more expensive and not less expensive. D is absolutely incorrect. Nothing can be said about the time taken to complete the surgery. Such an interpretation would be quite amateur. Surgery cost is less. Nothing can be said about the time taken. E is probably as bad an answer choice that you can ever get on the test. Let's confirm answer choice A now. We know that the cost of surgery is 40% less. Even when travel and visa costs are included, it is still less expensive. And therefore, to say that the cost of a round trip is less than 40%, 40% is the amount saved on knee surgery can be established, because otherwise it would overall not be still less expensive to get the knee replacement surgery done in this country. A is the correct answer choice.